Hello friends, today I am going to paint piplup Pokemon. For that I have some round brushes and a black marker. Let's start. I am applying a layer of water on some area with the help of number 12 round brush. Now I am taking Persian blue watercolor. Spreading it with the help of number 5 round brush. Subscribe to my channel for future videos. Now I am taking lemon yellow for the legs. Now let it dry. Now I am applying a layer of water on the rest of area. I am taking sky blue color, spreading it with the help of number 5 round brush. Adding a layer of water on the eye with the help of 0.5 round brush. Adding both Persian and sky blue. Now let it dry. Canary yellow on the beak and then golden yellow. Now let it dry. Outline the Pokemon with the help of black marker. Our Pokemon painting is ready. Comment me for what Pokemon I should draw or paint next. Thank you for watching.